What's up guys, Trader CJ from Cross Capital. Today I wanted to talk about order flow and delta, cumulative delta, footprint charts, and yes, total volume bought and sold. So I'm going to talk about overall order flow in the market. So this platform is Jigsaw Trading. You can see, I'll show you the website now. This is the website, Jigsaw Trading. So this is the platform I want to talk about. You can plug in your data feed from Rhythmic or CQG. All of those you can plug into the platform and you can check it out. Right, so also if you want to know more about Jigsaw Trading, you can see the link in the description below, or there is other platforms like NinjaTrader that also provide delta and cumulative delta and footprint charts. I'm just showing the time and sales in the middle here. So let's just talk through it. This is the chart on the left hand side. It's a chart, it's a footprint chart. So it's, and in the middle it's the time and sales, and this is the dome, the market depth of showing. Alright, so let's talk through a couple of more detailed stuff in this footprint chart. So on the left hand side, so this is a 1 minute bar, yeah, and this is also 1 minute bar. So every time on the left hand side you can see there's a red. I just want to zoom in a bit here for you guys so you can see actually what I'm showing here. Zoom into this, for example. So this left hand side, so at this price 11.50, 8 contracts traded on the bid, so it was a sell on the bid. So it's moving a bit. So, and you can see at this level here 12.25, also 30 contracts on the bid traded, so it's a sell order that went through in the market, and the 5 contracts that were bought, lifting the offer. So these were hitting the bids, lifting the offers on this side. So these are on the right hand side, the blue ones are contracts bought in the Nasdaq, the NQ, and this red is showing the bids were hit, so selling pressure, the buying pressure in the market. It's showing a footprint of this 1 minute interval that went through in the market. Then at the bottom, so this is the total volume that traded, 192 contracts traded. The total volume bought 69, total selling and contracts is 123, and the delta is showing the difference between those. It's a negative 54, so there were more selling of contracts in this 1 minute bar. And the cumulative delta, the CD, the cumulative delta, so let's say for example previously it was 3,000, so it went down by 54, now it's 2,946 for example. So that's the cumulative delta overall for the whole day. Alright, so this thing here, this block here, is with the opening price, this is the closing price, this yellow one. So if you look at the normal candle, it will show you a small red candle. This is the wick, here, opening price, closing price. Okay, let's move on to this one here. Then again, this is the whole footprint of this 1 minute interval, opening price, closing price, all the selling that went through on this side, the buying on this side, and you can see the cumulative delta on this side. Alright, this is very helpful when you start trading order flow. This is time and sales. So like I said, it's red, it's the selling of the contracts, it's blue, it's buying contracts. Right, and then talk through this dome. It's pretty much is showing the same information. This footprint is just plotting it onto a chart. So I'm going to clear it. So if I clear it, then you can see there's a selling pressure there. The side, the amount of contract that was sold at the bid, 4 contracts sold there, bought there, a lot of selling there on 11 and 8 contracts to ones. It's clearing the whole time. This is showing the total amount of contracts bought and sold at this specific price. This is the price of the Nasdaq. It's 16,112. That's the price of the Nasdaq. 152 contracts were bought and sold. And that's a total volume traded at that specific price. It is basically showing market profile. So you can see this at this area, 108, 107, this area, there were less contracts bought and sold traded. So sometimes this is called a low volume node. So you can find support or resistance as low volume nodes. Right, but that's talking market profile. It's also just showing you the amount of contracts sold and the market delta, so the delta and a cumulative delta. And yes, so I hope this helps, and I want to show you something else. So this column here, it's showing the amount of contracts that were added or subtracted from the bids limits in the market. So let's see this. The guys are pulling their bids. So -2, -2, -2, -4, pulling their bids around this. They're stacking their bids again and then pulling their bids, So pulling their bids a lot here. So sometimes they move backwards in terms of just pulling their bids, and the market tends to go down. Then you can see the same on this side. On the opposite side, it's the same thing. So you can see either add offers or add limit offers, or subtracting it from the order book. So I hope this helps in terms of how to read order flow, what to see in the market, and how to trade it. So you can also filter the time and sales and look for a streak of buyers, a streak of sellers within a support or resistance zone. You can look for a great entry level. Okay, so TakeProfitTrader is still running the 50% discount promo, so definitely check it out. And once you pass your test account, you get an extra account for free, and then you can go on to trading your live account and start withdrawing. I wouldn't say it's live, it's a sim live account. You can start trading and get some profits out of it. Also trading your extra test account. Alright guys, check it out. There's link in the description. And got Top Step also on the list there. TakeProfitTrader, Apex with a 90% offer. And yes, definitely check it out. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Cheers.